Hi and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to show you how you can descale your Esperto coffee machine by Tchibo. For the descaling process we need some suitable descaling tablets like these ones. So we need two of them, one for 500 milliliters of water, and we need about 1000 milliliters of water. I will put this product in the show notes below the video so you can buy it on Amazon if you want. So first of all, make sure that your coffee machine is heating up and ready to use. Then we take the water tank out of the machine and we fill the water tank to this scale max with fresh water. Now we need our tablets, our descaling tablets, and we put both of these descaling tablets in the water tank, and it takes about 4 minutes to dissolve both tablets in the water so that we have this descaling liquid. Yeah, now we wait until these tablets are dissolved. Now our descaling liquid is ready and all the tablets are dissolved. So we put this water tank back in the machine. Then we take away this container and we place this container where we can collect all the descaling liquid. And the descaling liquid rinses out every 40 seconds and in 50 milliliter steps, so that the water tank is completely empty. And to start the descaling process we have to press two buttons, this starting button and the espresso button, and we have to press both similar and together with about 5 seconds until we can hear a sign from the machine. So now the espresso light is flashing, and you can also see this descaling sign which is now lighting on. So when these lights is flashing in your machine, you have to descale your machine. And when I press the espresso button, the descaling process starts. If the container is full, you can remove the descaling liquid, and after 40 seconds the descaling liquid rinses out again. So you have to care about this. And now we wait until everything is rinsed out from the water tank. In the meantime, I empty this container. Okay, the descaling process in the first phase is finished. So we can empty this container and replace the container under the coffee spout again. And you can see the process of descaling is finished because these two lights are flashing now. This is the sign that the water tank is empty. So it's important to place this container under the coffee spout because we have to cleanse out and wash the water tank now. Fill with fresh water, place again in the coffee machine, and after it the washing process is directly start. So this we can empty and clean and fill with fresh clean water and no descaling product in it. So I place this water tank with fresh water in the coffee machine, and as you can see the machine is cleaning from descaling liquids. So descaling liquids are washed out, and about 450 milliliters of water rinses out of the machine, and then it's finished. Okay, now the rinse phase is finished and the whole descaling process as well. So that's all. The machine goes out, so we can turn it on and you can use your machine as usual. Yeah, that is everything with this video. The descaling process is completely finished. I hope you liked the video. If so, please give a thumb up and you can subscribe this channel. Please press here in the corner on the button. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. See you soon.